Okay, look at that double chin, huh? That's my double chin. Um, fat, fat. The larger numbers in Honegrimal are eons, I-O-N, not ions. That's a chemical term. They are eons, kind of like millions, except not, because millions, billions, etc. doesn't make sense. In the million, billion, trillion system, one, we're borrowing from Greece, so already it's dumb. But two, 1,000 is the first eon. A million has two groups of three zeros. So a million is 1,000,000. A billion is 1,000,000,000. There are three sets of three zeros in a billion, not a trillion. Trillion has four sets of them, and quadrillion has five. The mistake in logic that our language makes, and that's the default language for humankind, that mistake in logic continues. The higher the number gets, the more subtle the mistake is that could be made. But still, in Honegrimal, we don't have to be irrational. We get to choose our number system, and we know one eon is a hun. How many huns? One hun. One eon is the first unit in large number Honegrimal. And one eon is a 1 followed by 8 zeros. Or, if you prefer, one eon is a 1 followed by 4 zos. I fucked it up. One eon is a 1 followed by 2 zos. One eon is a 1 followed by 4 zeros. Do you see what I'm saying? The grouping of the larger numbers begins at 1 eon, which is 10,000, and then it moves on to a billion. So a 2 eon would be a billion. What would a 2 eon be? It would be 2 sets of 4 zeros, or 2 sets of 2 zos. Now, so what is multiple 2 eons? How about multiple 1 eons to start out? 76 1 eons would be Zvix 1 eon. Zvix 1 eons, and then whatever's left over. 400, 405th, right? That's a potential one. So you have to say how many of the 1 eons, 2 eons, etc. are. So here would be a legitimate number. 8 2 eon, Zvix 1 eon, Fort Hun, Twun. That's the end of the number. That's a legitimate number in Honegrimal. That is how you would say that. This does make sense. If you're confused, I don't blame you. It's kind of tough at first, but it absolutely does work. And if anything should be logical, it should be our numbering system. Thank you. Goodbye.